So what type of plant-based consumer are you? Recently, there was a study done and they've determined there are actually 5 types, not just one, but 5 different types of people who are interested in eating a plant-based or vegan food. So what are those different types? Well, number 1 is actually what they call the eco warrior. And believe it or not, that's like 3%, a very small percentage of the people. And so those folks are considered, they're the ones who are super committed about animal welfare, they care about the environment and about health. So it's kind of all 3 things wrapped together. But again, that's a very, very small part. So it's the animals, the environment, and also about health. The other type of people who are interested in plant-based or vegan food are people what they call the healthy hardcores. Now those folks are only concerned about health, nothing else. Health, 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 health. That's it. Number 3, third type, is folks that are focused on value. And they found that these are actually a lot of students because young students are concerned about price and value. And this is, I thought was so interesting. It's people who are interested in plants and vegan food that has a longer shelf life than meat. So I guess that means that students don't go shopping very much, or they're just not really focused on monitoring their refrigerator and they don't want to have to throw food out. So they want stuff to last longer. Next are people who are focused on flavor. Those are like your foodies. These are people who are interested in taking new taste journeys. Yeah, those are people who probably are really interested in watching Food Network channels and maybe watching videos and YouTube and these are people who are just focused on food, 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 food. And the last group of people who are interested in new plant-based and vegan trends are actually just that, people who are trendy. So those are kind of the people who are the fashionistas and they want a brand new experience. Those are people who are very interested in keeping up with the latest crazes, and so this is just one more way in which they want to be up to date and on trend and doing what the cutting edge people are doing. So those are the 5 different types of vegan or plant-based consumers out there. So I'm curious, which one are you? Are you the eco warrior? Again, to recap, that's the people who care about the animals, animal protection, animal welfare, they care about the environment, and they care about health. So it's kind of all wrapped together. Those are the eco warriors. Number 2 are people who are just healthy hardcores. Remember, that's health, 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 health. Number 3 are people who are focused on value. Those are people who are just price conscious. Remember, the students who care about which foods are going to last longer in their refrigerators, a longer shelf life. Number 4 are people who are flavor foodies, people who are really interested in food trends, food flavors, textures, everything about food and food experiences. And last are people who are trendy fashionistas and just want to have the latest and most current type of fad or experience. Those are people who are, again, more fashion conscious. So I'm wondering, which one are you? I'll tell you, here at Vegan Gastronomy, the name of our school used to be something else. It was actually called Sabor, which means flavor. So those flavor people, the flavor group, are the ones that we really cater to because our school actually had the name of flavor because for us, it's so important. Look, it's, we do care about health. Yes, health is something that's very important. But for us, it's all about flavor because if you don't make food taste good, no one wants to eat it. So again, remember, it's only 3% of the people who are into plant-based or vegan cooking because of animals or the environment. The rest of the population cares about how stuff tastes and how you put it in your mouth. So that's why our school is focused on that, about flavor. But I'm curious, which one of the 5 groups are you, or are you a little bit of combination of one or more? Please comment below and let us know what you are. And as always, we are super happy to have you here watching online, but please make sure you check out our website, which is vegangastronomy.com, as we teach courses both online as well as in person here in the beautiful sunny island of Mallorca, Spain.